Hey, what up, everybody? It's Swole Wave. As y'all can see, I stay in the gym. I just made it to work, and I did a wash. I'm not gonna even call it a washing style. I just did a wash last night because my hair was like super dirty and itching, and I put in a nasty brush session last night before I ragged up. So I just want to give you all a sneak peek of how that turned out. I haven't even unragged since last night. And then also, I wanted to leave y'all with this. I will be dropping a video explaining why you are not getting waves, man, the way you think you should have them by now. I'm gonna explain, and it's gonna hit you when I explain that the answer is right in front of you. All right, it's simple, and I'll break that down for y'all. So check this out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unrag. But y'all see what's going on. Look at Damian Lillard. Have you heard it the way Kyrie had? We had the same feeling, like, ooh, don't let this man get that. Let's see what we got here. Drew Holiday shut him down last year, and that feeling about him has changed. And if that feeling about Kyrie, that's where we at. And he's just seen as a guy who depresses team value based on Max Kellerman don't know what the hell he be talking about, man. He need to stick to boxing. Let me get in some better light.
Okay, let me say this really quickly.
This is where we at.
The team without Kyrie,
that crown closing up. I got a few forks left.
Without Kyrie. Let me say this again. They like their role.
This is where we at, man.
Kyrie. And this is what Boris was talking about. We can't be selfish, right?
I ain't gonna lie.
20 plus in the game when Kyrie got hurt and then they lost the game. Where were the
Not gonna lie.
Kyrie was out? When they were losing that lead, right? When you like your role better,
shit on point, man.
Kyrie, doesn't mean that it's all
Kyrie. Shit is on point. It's kind of sloppy up in here, but you can see. My bad, I'm taller than this mirror, so I gotta bend. Get down some. Dude, I'm ready for all the wave smoke, man. Let me try a different mirror. See if I can get a better angle for y'all. Let's see. Oh, this shit the same. Come on, focus, man. No brush. No brush session yet. Just to unrag. Hey, I'm ready for all the wave smoke, yo. All of it. I'm damn near elite. And if y'all go back and watch my prior videos, I explain exactly how I got this way. It's super simple and easy to do. Anybody can do it. It might not be as quick as my progress, but you can do it though, man. I promise you. One last look before I let y'all go. I get my ass upstairs and get to doing some work. Yeah, I got grades. And to anybody want to talk shit about them, I bet your mama I like them. But anyway, I thank y'all for watching this video. And be looking out for more videos coming soon. Like I said, video coming out about why you don't have waves yet if you stuck in this ripple process, or why you have waves and they're not the way you want them to be. So be looking out for that video. I'll get at y'all later. I gotta get up out of here. Swole Waver, I'm out.
Because at the end of the day, you can do whatever the fuck you wanna do.